microwave of death.
Hello, we're the Marshmallow family. I'm Melinda Marshmallow.
I'm Marty Marshmallow.
I'm Mickey Marshmallow. I'm Miranda Marshmallow. And I'm Joey Marshmallow. And we're going to go on vacation to the beach. I hope it's not hot outside. Oh, look how beautiful the sunlight is. Oh, it's wonderful. Oh, the sunlight feels so good on my skin. What's happening? I don't feel so good. Mommy!
Hey, this is not feel so good.
Oh, God gracious. We should have never gone to the beach for our vacation. What were we thinking? Oh, please, let the sun go away. This was the worst vacation ever.
Poor peeps.
It didn't explode.